How does eye tracking work in iOS 18? Let's get started. Eye tracking in iOS 18 is an exciting new feature that allows your iPhone to track where you are looking on the screen, making it easier to interact with your device without having to touch. Let me show you how it works and how you can set it up. First, open your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of Accessibility. Now head over to the option of Eye Tracking. Now toggle on for the option of Eye Tracking. Follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. So you have to keep looking in the circle icon in the screen. Just move your eyes around the circle wherever it goes. And just for that you have set up your eye tracking. Now using your eyes you can control your phone. You can see the circle icon in the screen. Now wherever you look in the screen it's gonna appear over there. In addition, you can customize the dwell time, which determines how long you need to look at the item for the action to be triggered. Adjust it to your liking to get the perfect balance between speed and accuracy. For that, you'll need to toggle on for the option of dwell control. And there you have it. That's how eye tracking works in iOS 18. It's a powerful tool especially for those who need hands-free access to their iPhone. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of iOS 18.